In this video, we take a look at how to do the knitted cast on. Stay with me and I'll show you how. To begin, we need to make a slip knot. We take our yarn and we make a loop with the tail yarn underneath the working yarn. We go through the loop from front to back with thumb and forefinger. Then we grab hold of the working yarn and pull it through the loop. Let's see that again. We make a loop with the tail yarn underneath the working yarn. We go through the loop from front to back, and with thumb and forefinger grab hold of the working yarn and pull it through. If we've done this right, pulling on the tail yarn should tighten up the slip knot, and pulling on the working yarn will tighten the loop. Now we take our needle, we place our loop over the needle and pull it snug. We take our needle in our left hand, make sure we keep our tail out of the way because we don't want to be knitting with it. This slip knot counts as our first stitch. We take our right needle, come through the loop from front to back. We wrap our yarn around the right needle and pull it back through. So we now have a loop on our right needle. We take our left needle and we come behind the loop and come through from front to back. Pull away the right needle and our second stitch is cast on. Let's see that again. We take our right needle, come through the loop from front to back. We wrap our yarn around the right needle. We then pull back through the loop and we have a loop on our right needle. Take the left needle, come through the loop from front to back and we remove the right needle, giving us our next stitch. Through the loop on the left from front to back. We wrap our yarn around the right needle, pull it back through the loop on the right from front to back, remove the needle, through the loop, wrap the yarn, pull through the loop, remove the needle, through the loop, wrap the yarn, pull through the loop, remove the needle. Carry on until you have the desired number of stitches on your needle. And that's how to do the knitted cast on.